Hi guys, we have a Bryant air conditioner at my dad's client's house, and we're here with my brother.
Hello.
Yeah. Read the data. Central cooling air conditioner. Yeah, central cooling air conditioner, and it doesn't say when it's from for some reason.
It's really old.
It doesn't say what it's from, probably because it's really old.
It's old?
Dylan, you can put your hand like on this.
I didn't know it was old.
As you know, it is running. This is a Bryant. We have the logo right here. Bryant Puberty.
My eyes are leaking.
Yeah, my brother loves to do that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.